In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS Studio Nvenc or Amd Encoders error. If OBS Studio is showing an encoder error and you're unable to start recording or streaming, don't worry. A quick and reliable way to fix it is to switch your video encoder to X264. This tells OBS to use your CPU for encoding instead of relying on the Nvenc or Amd hardware encoder, which is often where the issue comes from. To begin, open the OBS Studio app on your computer. Once OBS is open, look toward the top left corner of the window and click on File. This will open the main menu where several program options are available. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the OBS Settings panel, where you can control how the software handles video, audio, recording, and streaming. If you're new to OBS, don't worry, we're only changing one setting here. Inside the Settings window, click on Output. This section controls how OBS encodes and saves your recordings or streams. If your current encoder is set to Nvenc or an Amd option and that encoder is failing, changing it here can immediately solve the problem. Now find the video encoder option and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear with the available encoders on your system. From that list, select X264. This option is the software encoder built into OBS, and it's a good fallback when hardware encoding is not working correctly. After selecting X264, click OK to save the change. OBS will now apply the new encoder setting. At this point, your encoder error should be resolved and you can try starting your recording or stream again. Keep in mind that X264 uses your processor instead of your graphics card, so on lower powered systems you may notice higher CPU usage. However, it's a very useful fix when NVENs or Amd encoder options are unavailable or causing errors. If you later want to switch back to a hardware encoder after updating your graphics drivers or fixing your GPU related issue, you can return to the same output settings and change the encoder again. But for now, using X264 is a simple and effective workaround that gets OBS working again quickly. That's all you need to do to fix the OBS Studio Nvenc or Amd encoders error.